Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Diana, and I'm super excited to kick off a brand new series all about daily life English vocabulary. In this series, we'll dive into common words we use every day and learn how to use them in different situations. To make things even more helpful, I'll be sharing the Spanish and French equivalents of these words, so if you speak those languages, you'll find this series even more useful. I'll try my best to pronounce the words in Spanish and French correctly, but please comment on the video if I make any mistakes. Let me know in the comments if you like this feature and if there are any other languages you'd like me to include. Alright, let's get started with our first 20 common daily life English words. I'll give you the word, an example sentence, and the Spanish and French pronunciations. Let's jump right in. The first word on our list is hello. Example, hello, how are you today? Bye. Spanish, hola. French, bonjour. Next up is goodbye. Example, goodbye, see you tomorrow. Spanish, adios. French, au revoir. Number 3 is please. Example, can you pass the salt, please? Spanish, por favor. French, s'il vous plaît. Word number 4 is thank you. Example, thank you for your help. Spanish, gracias. French, merci. Next is yes. Example, yes, I would love to go to the movies. Spanish, sí. French, oui. And now, no. Example, no, I don't have any plans for tonight. Spanish, no. French, not. Next up is sorry. Example, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Spanish, lo siento. French, désolé. Let's look at excuse me. Example, excuse me, can you tell me where the bathroom is? Spanish, perdón. French, excusez-moi. Next is help. Example, can you help me with this? Spanish, ayuda. French, aid. Here we have friend. Example, John is my best friend. Spanish, amigo, amiga. French, ami, ami. Next is family. Example, I'm spending the holidays with my family, / Spanish, familia. French, familia. Let's talk about work. Example, I have to go to work early tomorrow. Spanish, trabajo. French, travail. Next up is food. Example, I love Italian food. Spanish, comida. French, nourriture. Now let's look at water. Example, can I have a glass of water, please? Spanish, agua. French, eau. Next is house. Example, I just moved into a new house. Spanish, casa. French, maison. Here we have school. Example, my children go to the local school. Spanish, escuela. French, école. Let's look at car. Example, I need to get my car serviced. Spanish, coach. French, voiture. Next up is store. Example, I'm going to the store to buy some groceries. Spanish, tienda. French, magazine. And now, time. Example, what time is it? Das. Spanish, tiempo. French, temps. Finally, we have day. Example, today is a beautiful day. Spanish, dia. French, jour. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these daily life English words helpful and easy to understand. Don't forget to practice using them in your daily conversations. If you like the addition of Spanish and French translations, let me know in the comments and tell me if there's another language you'd like me to include. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video in this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.